Test, test, test. Hello. Hello. Do you watching at both channels right now? Let's check if that works now. Just adjust the array. Let's see if the dog finished this one. It should start here with the 1. No, it's not working. Right now I want to check why. What is he printing? Sagt die always 761, 76. Okay, I mean, it's doing this, but it did not do the change what I wanted to do. I just have to adjust the music, it's a little bit too loud. So now it's a little bit better. I need to adjust this function as I want it updates every time the dog finish to collect one object. I mean, that it show here the indicator is not good because it will always show. Text, but I want that the text will change. But it did not update. Even it changed the position. The array. Maybe I know why. It should do this after this one. I hope it will work. Not sure. I hope it will work. Let's test. So let's test it again. If it's not work afterwards, I'll try to print the array. Because right now there should be just 8 objects in the array. And when this one got deleted, it should update the array again. And also the text. And the text is up to in which position this object is right now in the array. So did not work. Wow, what is this bug now? Okay. Okay. What is happening? Seems like everything is not working right now. But this do not working anyway. I have to find another solution. Global object array find self plus 1. Position 0 plus 1 should be fine. Print global data dot object array. Let's try again. Did you still can hear me? Without background noises? Did you still can hear me? Without background noises? How's it now? I think now it's better. Oh, now you can hear me double. Um, I just have to mute my video. So here, this one. So let's go. Let's testing what the game is printing now. But I think I should testing it in a not full screen setting. I'll just change it quickly to the window setting. Project settings and window. Where's the window? Window. Window. Windowed there. This one. Let's go. Now I have a smaller window, then it's easier to debug. Immer noch? Und wie ist die Videoqualität? Let's check. HD, das ist gut. Auf beiden Streams, weil bei YouTube zeigt eine Fehlermeldung an. Das ist da, wo etwas schlechter ist. Ich bin da. I'm surprised that it works on both channels at the same time. I should know that before. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 1. So why it's not updating the text? This actually don't make sense. Maybe I'll try to just do it this way, as I don't need it to do in every object every time. I just need to do it at the So let's try again. But I did not know why it's not updating this one. I just thought it will be a simple function, but it's a little bit more complicated than it's really are. So, a long time to open up. I hope it will not crash. Did you hear background music? No, now. Before the background music was not on. Is the music too loud? Please, please. It did change just only the last one. Did you see that? 0, 3. Now it did change to 0 again. Why this happened right now? Now it actually just update 1. I actually have to do that here. For object in. Object array. Find object plus 1. Oh, object dot array indicator dot text. Now it should work because right now it just changed the text of the object, which actually got just queued for it afterwards. Now it should work. This. So let's check if it's working. So just wait till the dog is here. Let's see, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now it's working. That is really good. That is how it's supposed to be. Maybe I'll make it a bit brighter, as it's a little bit hard to see it in this setting. But that should not be the problem. I'll just adjust this here and make it up to 200. And this as well to 200. Now it should have a better contrast to the background. So let's go to the next function, as it will be an right click on the object. This I'll do here. If input is action just pressed, mouse right. Global data dot object array dot arrays self. But before it will cause errors, I just need to asking if it's there before. If global data dot object array dot has self. Otherwise, nothing will happen. And that it will work properly with the indicator, I need to update the array as well. So this way, close it and let's see. And I think right now it should work properly. Let's test. Is the music too loud? So let's see if it's work. One, two, three, four, five. When I just right click one of that, it should. Well, okay, I just need to hide it, but I just it's a little buggy because the right click is also the button for move, so I just change it to mouse left, UI left, Alt. You should have an Alt left click, input map, a new Alt left click, just add a new done. This way, Alt left mouse button, close it, Alt left click, so, and just need to hide the indicator, array indicator dot hide. Let's check it again. So I hope this way it's better with the music in the background. Let's check. So now adding objects to the array and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Delete this one. Oh well, this will not work because it's doing this and this in the same time. So this actually have to do a check before. It should return elif this way, and this I should delete, and here I will do a return and also do a return. For me the music is still a little bit too loud. Maybe I change it.
My ice cream Milo เข้มข้น
Oh, this is better now. So let's check it. So this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that it works like it should be. But as you can see, dog will lose energy even not. Even the dog will not. So I just do this one plus dog energy cost. I just think that should just fix it. And then this functions work, and then my next task will be. Oh, so that's function already. So here you can see it decrease, and now it should increase. This. But this do not make sense. The dog has 85 now. No, I just ignore the. There are still a lot of bugs with this function. As you can see, the dog is right now in the sitting position. Even it's not, the dog is not sitting. And he got energy back. Even you can see there's a so now you can see 100. Well, I see that the dog has more than 100 before. This way. I will see it. $88. What is that? I don't get why this happened right now. I just figured it out right now. Let's see. So if I do this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, no energy. Now I do backwards. And I already lose 22 if I do again. This is still 22. These do not make sense to me. There's no object here which this. Okay, I understand. If I click an object multiple times, just decreases. This should be right before this one. So it cannot be doubled. It just decreases, but did not do anything. And I have to make that the dog cannot sit down while the dog is looting, because should not be able to gain energy back while looting. If current state is not dog movement loot. I just say it here. So it's not really looting at this moment. I'll check why it's not. If current state is not looting, okay. Current state is looting if lower distance to dog positions smaller than 16. Get object position. I think I'll do it this way. I should get rid of 2 bugs if it will work. Let's see. Load. I'll just do it again. Just have to delete the data. This works. When I click it multiple times, it's not possible. Now it works. Now when I want to get this, oh, I don't want this, I want to go to this one, this, and this. Yeah, that works very well. Let me just delete the save files right now. This way. Just update. This is finished too. Oh, this should not happen. it should be like that. Dog is there, and then looting. But what I did not understand is why the dog don't do the looting animations anymore. As when the dog movement is changed to loot, the animation should, if current state dog movement is loot, it should do the loot animation. Okay, let's go on. I just need to draw a black trash bag like this. How that looks. This looks like a trash bag, I think, yes. I should raise this one. Like this. Raise here a little bit. This way. This is not round enough. Should I turn it out like this? Give it an outline. Oops. Here, shift O. Inside, okay. Well, I think I'll give it some brighter highlights as it's plastic. This way. Yeah, for sure. This looks like a trash bag. Oh, sorry. This this looks a bit like an onion. Not sure, this looks not like a trash bag yet, in my opinions. But this is too bright as well. Just make it a bit darker, the highlights. Maybe still more. As it should be a black trash bag. it's okay. Environment. Items. Trash. Trash bag. Trash bag. Trash bag. Sprite. Inventor. PNG. File new. 10 to 10. So just let's create a new item data. Trash bag. Bag filled with. Bag may be filled with useful materials. This one on. Save. Items. Trash bag. Trash bag. Oh, there was a misspelling. Just fix that. So now I just need a new slot data. This one goes here. Trash bag. Item type. I'll call it like loot box. Loot bag. Loot box. I go for loot box. It's not placeable, it's consumable. Cache value I did not setting now. Okay, so I'm finished here. I'll go for my item datas. Here, trash bag. So at the loot box, I just have to change looting boxes. Just two things I need to change. This I'll change later. Yeah. This I'll change. This I'll give. This way. Then go for if input is there, mouse left click. It was the wrong one, but I just this I have to delete the whole one. And here I just have to change it to item load, preload, instantiate. This will not be pick random, this will be the trash bag. Don't duplicate. And the next I think I'll create a yes, I'll make it create a variable how many times. I think you can get 1 or 2 from these boxes. Like variable Randy amount ist gleich Randy range 1 to 2. And I'll say like for I in Randy amount. This one. With the loading time, just need to do once. Loading timer, have to just set once as well, but this need to do 1 or 2 times up to how many bags it will spawn. Did I miss something? No. This. Load array. This way. So now I need to check how I did that with the clams. As they work in a similar way. There, this way. Clam, opening clam, pearl array. Okay, here I just loading them. Every time. Oh, but this I can do better. Right now I just go for this. Because this, when I adding new pearls, it will just loading this one, but not the new ones I already created. So I do this now. So if loot box name is material, this I do not need anymore. For I direct access get files at variable item data is resource loader, but I think it would be better if I creating both dictionaries at the same time. So I have a pearl I just create them right now. Var pearl array and var material array. And go for this one. And now create loot arrays. So this is material array, material array, material array. And here I will say if item data dot item type is sent to Pearl. I think I call it Pearl. Then Pearl array dot append item data. These 2 lines of code will replace this 10 lines of code. Oh, there's just one problem now. Okay, here this I have to do a bit different. Here I go for a Perl dictionary. Then I go for this item name equals item data. This should be item data dot item name. Yeah, per dictionary not declared. Yes, that's true. Dictionary. This I'll let it being an array right now, as there I so this way, so I can delete this now. Now I have the dictionary. It always adds the item name, like black pearl is equal to the black pearl slot data. So here I just need to add a pearl dictionary dot get, and then key is black pearl. Oh well, just have to check. I just don't know in which order I have to do this. So pearl dictionary dot get the key, and this is black pearl. Oh, not forgot to say duplicate. This will not have any problems with the resource data. Duplicate. This is the gold pearl. blue pearl. Black, gold, blue, turquoise. Pearl. Gold, blue, turquoise, pearl, red, pink, green, red, pink, green, light blue, yellow, white, pearl. Light blue, yellow, white. Alright, yeah, this I can delete now. Now I just simplify the pearl function as well. So now I want it clamp opening. So where did I call clamp opening? Here. So I just need to do elif inventory data dot slot data's index dot item type equals loot box so now I just loot box opening and I'll just create a loot box opening. Tower slots, where's the find fishing rod update, current player item texture, create loot director, loot no loot box opening. It's true. Move this way. So Here I need to loot box slot data is equal to slot data. So let's go loot box. Right now I just going for the item name, like loot box slot data dot item name is equal to trash bag. Now I just go here, got this function. Need this one. No, but I think I'll just do it the same way like I do clamps. This is just with a pickup. I'll do it this way. Say material array dot pick random dot duplicate. And now when I go to the dumpsters and trash cans, I should be able to get trash bags, and from the trash bags I should be able to get materials as loot. Testing. Start. Let's go to the oops, loot box opening. Okay, yeah. Okay, this was missing. Loot box opening, need slot data. The slot data, mouse button right. Well, Just need to do it this way, but I'm just wondering right now. Why I did not check this for the toolbar, as I can right click the toolbar as well. Because I mean, what will happen when I right click the toolbar? Or did it check just every inventory data? Did make it a lot easier, this code, so I just think I need to adjust the other codes I have. Just simplify it a bit. I forgot something. I forgot to this way find. So let's go. Let's testing it. Let's check. Testing. Non-existing function duplicate in base nil. Material array dot pick random dot duplicate. Why does this not work? Let's check. Because I did not create the looting arrays. I just called them here, but I did not create them. I have to create an ready function. There's no ready function yet here. Underscore ready. This way, this. Now the game starts. Just creating the arrays for the loot. Every time the game starts, as if I update some new items to the arrays, that every player will got them at the start and not I did not have to change that much code. I just have to add them to the file dictionary. Let's testing again. Let's go. Let's see what I'll loot. It's a little bit buggy right now. I can just click it a million times and then just this trash container. Just once. So 48 does work, but okay, just don't decrease it, but it works. So you can see here. But that are the rare items, this one. And they are really rare. I think I just opened up like 300. It's not a rare item. They are really rarely. I think I make them more rare, but right now it looks very good. But you just have to decrease it by one. Like this here. This way. This. 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 Save it. And for the right click as well, yeah. Clam loot box. Quantities. Oh, okay, I just declared here. So to the loot box opening, I just decrease it here. Okay, fine, but I just think I'll make the other ones. I want them, they are more rarely, so I just set it up a bit like here, but with a higher chance than 55,000. 1 to 55,000. So I just need to Here's the loot arrays. Here I create them for the pearls. So I go for a dictionary as well. But oh, wait 1 second. I just want the bow stackable as well. As you can see before, it's not stackable, so they're not stack up in the inventory. So, and I do this to a dictionary as well. Dictionary, dictionary. Change a bit the code. And I'll say the item name too. I need the item name. No, I think I just make it up to the special bool. So I go for item data dot special equals to item data. So I do not need this one, because now I have just 2 lines of code. And here it's not pick random anymore, it's I need a variable row loot is equal to randy range 0 to, I'll do like 200 or maybe 300, maybe, I'm not sure if that is too much. So now I go for if row loot is smaller than 1, then it's only 0. Yes, I tried this way. Then global data dot I just need to copy this here to this one, and I'll say um oh wait, now there are few items. What a dictionary will do when it found more than just one. It goes for every and the same, or I have to do it a bit different. I think I'll have to do it. Yeah, I think I have to do it in the same way. The item name. Then I have the item name, the item data. But it would be nice if I could store 3 datas for every data item. What I could do, but then I don't need the item name. So I have stored the item name and the item data. Now I want the item data has a bool specials on, and it will pick one of these items which has this bool specials on. I think I have an idea. I'll go for item data dot special is equal to an array append item data. Cannot get return value of call to append because it returns void. Because it returns void, so it's not working this way. How I can do this? Um, how I can do this one? Array. If material dictionary has item data dot special slash false, else dot get item data dot special dot append this one. Here I go for item data as well. So I think it should work this way. Yeah, so it should creating true and false as an array, and true as in key and false as in key, and both contains an array. Every time it goes through another item, it will put the item in this array, and if it don't has this array yet, it will put it in this array. Okay. So it should work this way. And here I just need to say material I think I'm not going to finish all the to-dos today. I think this will be the last one today. For the case and the games I'll go tomorrow. Array dot get true dot pick random dot duplicate. And here get false. Identify material array not declared. Yes, because it's material dictionary now. Dictionary this way. So now it should work the same way like before, just better. And it actually should decrease the amount. Let's check it out. Load. Now get index special. Yeah, this is not existing. Special. Now I have to do it again because of a misspelling. Let's check again. So this way, loading. Seems good. And there's an error. Now get index pick random on base array. Yeah, because it's not an index, it should be a function. Oops, this way, and this way. Try it again. Try number 3. So let's check. Yeah, it works same like before. That is good. Just better. Yeah, well, now I open up a lot of boxes, but I did not check how many. This way. There's no way to. Well, I just need to drop this one. This, 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 because I just want to check if I will get how rare the special items will be. And later on, it will be not that easy to loot that many trash bags. I still wonder why the first I just want to have more trash bags. What happened? Okay, I think my computer is not good enough for this game. So let's check again. I need more trash bags. Just loot all of them all the time. Oh, here's the bug again. I did not get it why now I'm able to click this a million times. And right now for debugging it's good, but I think for the future it will be too easy for the player to get loot. So let's check how many times I get the special items. There's no special item yet. Okay, I think I opened up around 50. There's not even one special item. Maybe this is... I mean, it's okay that are special items. Oh no, I think I found out how I can recreate this bug that I can looting forever here. When I click just one time, it works. But as I click faster, yeah, I can loot as many times as I want. So let's check again. Go forward. Let's check how many I'll get. Oh, there's one special item. One special item from 170 items. I think it's okay from 170 loot boxes, one special item, that's fine. I mean, they're really useful as well, so I think it's okay, but I need to get rid of this bug with the looting boxes as players should not be able to have. So, if in possession, just pressed mouse left and looting timer is equal to 0. Yes, equal to 0. But every time I click on it, it will set it to 1 to 10. So it's never 0. But I think the problem is here at looting twin, as I do not check how many twins it already has. So I can create a million twins at the same time. And this should not be the case, so I make this twin. I'll do set up here as a twin, and here looting tween. No, this does not make sense. It actually makes sense. So the looting tween will create here, and then I can just looting tween kill. I just do not actually know what kill will do, so I just print it here because I want to find out if the tween will actually be, I mean, killed. I don't know what that means. Maybe it will be just null. If it's null, I just can check here. If it's not, if it's null, and then just only do this tween for it will not do anything. Let's check it out. Load data. Tween bound to loot box. Okay. Uh, okay. Um, Kill after finish. Looting. Uh, if looting timer equals 0, then should kill. Let's see again. So let's check it out. We're bound to loot box 1, 2, and 3. Okay, fine. So when I click it, I cannot loot them anymore. Well, why I cannot loot the loot box anymore? Because of the kill. I need to check this. Just something what I did not understand right now. But I'm going to find it out. How it works well. I can click here a million times again. Okay, bound to loot box 2. So how can I set a tween to null? This was so tweener kill is not work for me. Returns whether the tween is currently running. It wasn't paused and it's not finished. Well, okay, I just try in the looting box. I'll just set up an functions process, physics process, print looting tween dot is running, and I'll see what I'll get. False, true, false. So this is easy. Now I know when it's true. Just have to check here. Not looting time is equal to 0. And looting tween is running is equal to false. So I can just left click it now when there's currently no tweening is running. So let's check it out. Load. So then now the bug should not work anywhere. no matter how many times I click. And it seems to work. This bug seems like to be fixed. Okay, that's good. Do you think now it's better when, I just change it to like a looting system, like loot boxes, rather than directly from the trash bags? Maybe I'll try to add more loot boxes. It always, as it's always fun to open loot boxes. Maybe I'll do the same with. Oh, just have to edit here. Um, box from dirt hills rather than apple seeds. Loot box from um, scrap objects rather than apple rather than scraps right now. So I think this the last tutorial I'll do for today. And I'll keep going on tomorrow, I think at the same time.